Hey, my name's Cash Merrill, and you've reached Zibtek. So I'm sitting here in our Draper, Utah office, and we've been doing technology solutions for folks for like 10 or 15 years. I started off as a developer, and then a product manager, and then tech co-founder, and then started Zibtek out of that experience. Super excited that you've found us here on this page about YII development. We've done just a tremendous amount of PHP development across a variety of frameworks over the years. And so maybe you're looking like you had a developer just leave you, and maybe you're looking for a more affordable solution. We have a tremendous staff in Bangalore, India. We have an office there. They're all full-time employees. We also have US project management. We try to offer just the most highest value we can for the dollar amount. So we'd like to learn just a little bit more about what you're building, what you're doing. Maybe you're starting a new project. Maybe you're just trying to replace somebody that's left. Just hit our contact button and we'll be able to reach out to you. Just reach out to us. We'll respond as quick as possible. Or you can give us a call. Our number's just in the header. And we'd love to learn more about what you're up to and see if we can help out. Thanks.